Alright, gonna do a power test. The STRIKE fixed blade. Doing it about 10 yards. Got the flower, got the little board behind it, about 3/8, a little bit thicker than a quarter of an inch. And then the water jug, so I'm just gonna see the power test, see how it penetrates with the bar net. So actually this is kind of a test of both the Jackal and the STRIKE. So here we go. Power test. Got the flower, a little thin board with a little over a quarter of an inch, 3/8, and the water jugs behind. Alright, well, here we go. Definitely killed the flower. Then we made it all the way. It actually pegged the fourth jug of water. This is at 10 yards. There's a cut, as you can see. I'll retape it, that's pretty neat. Make sure that's getting in there, yeah. So it is cutting like the picture. There's a board. Actually, that's clean cutting. It didn't even do much of anything to it. I mean, that's slicing. So that's nice. Same thing on the back side. You can see the lines where the razors went through. That's it. That's good for cutting, going through bone. And then we got the waters. Jugs, like I said, it went through. Well, there, it barely poked through. So there you go, which made it into the final jug. So there we are. Chickens are coming back. Yeah, I did find the missing blade. It actually came off in the first jug. So we still got impact. Went through, clean cut through 3 jugs and punctured the 4th. Not too bad. That is a Jackal crossbow, 315 feet per second, 95 pounds of energy, and STRIKE fixed blades. 100 grain. So there you are.